Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's talk about how can we create something like it's a beginner exercises inside Fusion 360. So let's get right into it. When I go for sketch, choose this top surface, draw a circle like this. You can dimension it 120, 120. Finish the sketch. You can right click in the region and go for press pull and define 120. Go to home like this. Now you can apply the appearances for this one and apply this shiny color. Now I wanted to go for a sphere, and a sphere like let me go and construct a plane and plane at angle like this. I want to define it 12 degree or 45 degree, and that's fine for me. I want to go for sketch, choose this plane, and what I can do, I want to construct a circle like this. Again, I will go for a line starting from somewhere here and close the sketch. I will trim this portion and I will finish the sketch. Go to home, and now we'll go for revolve, and axis is this one. I want to hit OK. See, it's really fantastic for me. And right now I want to create another plane and plane at angle and choose this edge. I want to define 45 and like this, or minus 45. I'll hit OK, and again I'll go for sketch plane like this. When I go for a circle like this, I'll go for a line starting from somewhere here, trim this portion, and I will finish the sketch. Again I'll go for revolve axis is this one. See, and it's fine for me like this. And right now what I can do, let me just go for the sketch and edit the sketch. I want to go for the dimension and keep it 120, and let's finish the sketch. So like this. And that's what exactly I wanted. This is perfectly fine for me like this. See, so this is how you can create different kind of objects. Perfect. Thanks for watching.